a W220 chassis, anytime you pull off this wood trim on the door panel, I recommend you replace all 4 of these clips, even if they look okay. Of course, you have to pull the wood trim off if you're going to remove the door panel, because that's the first step in getting to these screws right here. Now, I usually use an assortment of pry tools. I like to use this wide one because it distributes the load, and I'm going to move it all the way down here to the edge, right in there. And then I'm going to take this other tool and bring it up here and see if I can get it to pop loose. These are pins that go into holes that have an interference fit. Now, when you start prying, make sure you don't flip this off onto the floor because you'll crack the finish. So once I get this forward section off, I can come down here to the back, and I just lightly, very lightly, twist and pull. Now here you can see the clips. See, this clip is messed up, and that's why somebody tried to glue that there. And this clip has come out. You want to make sure these clips go into the plastic before we snap this back on. You also may have a piece of wood that's trying to fall off because somebody else replaced this, took the door panel off, and didn't replace the clip. These tend to warp due to heat, and when they warp out, and they'll lift away from the door panel. So the solution is replacing the clip. And don't just replace one, replace all 4. Pull out the metal part first, this metal insert, like that. And then you want to squeeze the plastic piece like this and pull it out. So I'm going to pull these other 2 out, and then I'm going to come back and show you how easy it is to just pop 4 new clips in place and reattach the wood. Probably noticed when I was removing those clips that I was using a special hook nose, needle nose pliers. Well, I custom make that. It's very handy, but you don't need that to remove the clips. A small needle nose pliers like this with teeth on them will get those clips out. Now, to install the clip, you don't need to separate the metal from the nylon. You can just set it up here and just push it right in until it clips into place. You can feel it snap into place here. Okay, now let's take the wood. You can see that these are just threaded studs, and those threads go down there and latch onto those metal clips. Getting the clips in is easy, but putting this wood piece in is a little tricky because you've got a curve here on this front stud, and these others are more or less straight. You've got to start this one first. If you try to drive these 3 in and don't get this one started, then this one won't line up. So I start with the front one and ease it into the hole, push it as far this way as you can, and then just lightly tap that. Once you tap this first one in and get the second one going, then you've got this little pin down here at the bottom that you got to get into this hole. Sometimes this wood gets warped from just being in the car and getting hot and cold. So we're going to have to push this down a little bit when we get these 2 pins started, and you have to be real careful or you may crack the wood. I'm going to tap this one a little more to get it to move this way. And just make sure this pin is lined up with that hole. We're going to have to tap down to move that down and that lower pin into the slot. Okay? All right, that one. I'm going to push forward on this. Okay, it's in the slot. That looks so much nicer. So much nicer than before when this was sticking out. And don't think that you can use glue to glue this back in place. For one thing, you got to get off in the future to get the door panel off, but glue does not work. It's just under too much stress. I do think that one of the reasons these plastic pieces get broken is when people put this wood on, they force it on. Most of them probably get damaged during installation. I can't stress enough how important it is to be really gentle with this wood when you're removing it and replacing it. Look at the crack in this one. I can almost guarantee that was caused by some previous heavy-handed mechanic trying to force this off or on. You can see someone tried to glue it there. That's not going to work at all. I should point out something different on this right side, which was missing on the driver's side. And that's this little clip down here. It's kind of a unique clip. I don't have any of these clips. I found that you can, just like I did on the driver's side, you can leave this clip out and it'll tuck right down in there tight. Sometimes leaving the clip out will make it easier to remove and install the wood without excessive stress. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this one in here. I'm going to pull these out, and I'm going to show you here how I can just use a small needle nose to get these out. And then you want to get in here and kind of try to squeeze down. If you squeeze it together, there you go. You can see it's a little bit easier with my hook plier, but this will work as well. Here's a good example of why you want to replace these, all of them, even if they look good, because most of the time they're cracked. Look at that. Now sometimes you can't get these out. They're going to fall inside, which isn't a big problem. Just leave them inside the door panel if you don't want to pull the door panel off. But if you get down to the body with the pliers, oh man, this one's going to be tough. There we go. Voila, look at that. Just snap right in place. I'm going to start with the front, just like I did on the left side. And I'm just going to lightly push this in. If it won't push, I'm just going to tap. There. Just get that started. Take a little bit more. There we go. Now I can get the second one in, just barely. Okay. Now I've got to work this pin in down here in the bottom. Make sure that gets started, which is putting a little bit of forward and down stress on the wood. So I'm just going to tap this forward a little bit. Okay. Okay, I got this one started, and I'm going to hold forward on that, just tap lightly. Okay, now I've got the bottom one down here started. Just come back up here, tap, tap. Look at that. That's so nice not to see that popping up. Then to just take the palm of your hand here, just tap around, make sure it's all the way in. I wish it didn't have this crack right there. That's kind of an eyesore for me. But that's caused because someone did not know how to take this wood piece off properly and install it gently.